Welcome, today in front of me INFINIX Hot 11, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, then tap here on the sounds and vibration, and just to unmute the ringtone volume you should swipe this green dot to the right side with your finger. And also we got here the volume buttons on the right side of our device. Press the up or down volume button and then click here on the sound settings, and by this way you can also launch the sounds and vibration settings, and by this way you can also mute or unmute your ringtone volume. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.